Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Hadarata Sayyidat wa Sada al-Kiram. As-Sada Allahu masakum bikulli khair. Yusaiduni an akuna huna li ashhada ma anjazathu Jamiat al-Mintaka al-Arabiyya min at-Tamayuz wa-Riyada. قال المغفور له الشيخ زايد إن أفضل استثمار للمرء هو استثماره في إيجاد أجيال من المتعلمين والمثقفين ويؤد حدث اليوم الذي يعترف ب181 جامعة من المنطقة العربية برهانا على هذه المقولة. أتوجه بالشكر لكل من شرفوا شركات QS كوكرلي سيمنز بحضورهم الكريم. فلدينا اليوم أكثر من 70 جامعة أتت من أرجاء المنطقة العربية. كالسي امتناني لجامعات زايد شركاتنا في الاستضافة ولرئيستها سعادة الشيخ نورة الكعبي على دعمهم السخي في المشاركة في تنظيم هذا الحدث. أود أن أشكر معالي الدكتور عامر عزت سلامة أمين عام اتحاد الجامعات العربية على تشريفه لهذه المناسبة المهمة. كم كنت أود مواصلة حديثي باللغة العربية ولكن دعوني أكمل حديثي باللغة الإنجليزية. A very good evening, and it's a great honor for me to address all of you here today. And I trust that this event will give a great boost to Arab region excellence in higher education. I'm here today to thank everyone who has made it all the way to Dubai for this special occasion. First and foremost, I would like to thank the various diplomatic representatives who are here with us today, namely His Excellency Mr. Asaf Domet, the Consul General of Lebanon in Dubai, His Excellency Mr. Asim Al-Ababna, Consul General of the Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan in Dubai, His Excellency Mr. Ali Yunus, the Consulate General of Palestine in Dubai. My sincere thanks and profound appreciation for your presence here today. I would like to acknowledge and thank His Excellency Mr. Hassan Al-Najjar, the University Council member at Zayed University and an entrepreneur in the UAE, for his humble presence here today. Thank you very much. I would also like to thank the organizing committee led by Muna Al-Sini, Wissam Al-Hila, Samit Lotlikar, and their colleagues for the amazing support in organizing this event. I would like to acknowledge the support and mentorship of our QS leadership in the United Kingdom, who have made this event a great success. To my colleagues who have traveled here, Lee Camelins, Jacques Du Shamshanel, Shadi Hijazi, and our very own Rami Awad, our amazing host and MC this evening, thank you for your support. I wouldn't do justice if I didn't thank our event planner and coordinator from Dubai, Anisha Brito, for our outstanding support and efforts in making this event a grand success. Thanks also to our dear hotel host or home in Dubai, which were running the 4th consecutive event in the last 1 year, Raffles Dubai, the amazing team led by Andrada, Danny, Ahmed, and all the amazing staff who have made this event truly memorable. Thank you very much. I would finally like to thank our event production house, Sunset Events, our photography and videography team, Prime Vision, and I should remind you that you should collect your photographs from the photo booth, which is going to be set up right here after we finish this event. So please make sure you take some memories with you in the print format in a specially designed card we are prepared for you to take with you. To conclude, I think the presence of media from various medias even made this even more special. So thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, I know dinner is waiting, but I think planning this event took a lot of support and a lot of running around, a lot of things in the last minute. So I have picked up a few names from various organizations and universities that have made this event a great success. Some are great minds, some are great friends who have worked with us for a long time. And I would like to call them on stage and present them with a small token of my appreciation. So this is in not any particular order, but it is just truly an appreciation on my side for those people who have made not just this event today, but also the last few years with QS truly memorable. So I hope at every event I can do this and I can honor these people. So I would like Rami to announce those names as I gave him this, and it's a small token I have which we will present to all of you, to all the 6 people I would like to invite on stage. So I'll pass this over to Rami and I'll come back to make the concluding remark.
We'd like to invite Dr. Amr Izzat Salama. I would like to invite Dr. Dhafir Saraira. I would like to invite Dr. Anas Assoud. I would like to invite Dr. Habib Fardoon. I would like to invite Dr. Abdel Fattah Saoud. And finally, I would like to invite Cesar Wazin.
Thank you so much, everyone. I wish you a very good evening. Shukran wa jazilan. Ma salama.